Now we can add another section. To do that, scroll down and let's add one box of Elementor. So that box is going to be image carousel. I don't know how to pronounce it. Image carousel. And yeah, we are going to use this one. And to use that, we have to add one section. So let's select this one. And now select this one, this middle one. And after that, let's select this. Let's drag and drop. Very good. And after that, let's make it full width. Now select this pencil button, and after that, we can add our images. So select your images. Make sure to adjust the size of your image before uploading it. And even change title. So here you can change image 5, image 4, image 3, image 3, image 2. Now let's another one. Let's make it image 1. Now we have to caption it again. Let's do it. Image 1, image 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now click here, insert gallery. Now it's here. Here we have adjusted 4 images in one slide. Let's customize it. Medium. Medium is good. Let's make it custom. You can do it according to how you like it. Now, let's make a spacing. This much is good. And let's make border radius 34. Yeah, that's good. And let's change background color. That's good. That's good now. As you can see, when we click here, let's make some adjustment in setting. Click here, and change this option link to media file. Now when we click it, this will pop up like this. So it's really looking good. Now let's make one more adjustment to animate it. Go motion effect. Choose your favorite one. Yeah. It's good. Let's update it. Now let's see how it looks. Yeah, it's looking fine now. Guys, if you want to add more images, then what you can do is just copy this and paste it. Same option. Now you can change colors, pictures. And if you want even more images, then what you can do is copy and paste again. As you can see. So this will be a good amount of photo. Whenever you upload photo, then compress your photo. Make sure your photo size shouldn't be very big. Else what happen is your site will go down, and users that are using your site will face problem. Then that will affect your business. So make sure to compress your images as much as possible.